I'm gonna show you how to make sourdough focaccia. It's super fun to make and it's delicious. To the bowl, add 160 grams of sourdough starter. Add 230 grams of warm water. Add half of a tablespoon of honey and mix it up. Add 400 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it up and then knead the dough for about 5 minutes. The dough will get kind of wet and tacky. It will change the structure. Place the dough back to the bowl, cover it, and let it proof at least for 6 hours. You can also leave it to rise overnight, but anywhere from 6 to 10 hours. I will be using this 10 by 10 square baking tray and add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we'll do the coiled fold. Stretch the dough upwards and fold it on itself. Do 3 or 4 turns. Stretching the dough really impacts the dough strength. It develops the gluten network. Spread the dough a little bit in the container and then cover it and let it proof for at least 2 more hours. Add few more spoons of olive oil and spread it on top of the dough, and then use your fingers and begin dimpling the focaccia dough. You can see all these bubbles. Those are so great. Don't pop them. That's what makes the focaccia so airy and light. I'm gonna season my focaccia with some everything bagel seasoning and Parmesan cheese. Let the focaccia rest for 15 more minutes before baking it, and then bake at 425 for 20 minutes. And that's it. Just look at this focaccia. Let the bread cool down a little bit and then you can easily take it out from the tray because of the olive oil we used on the bottom of the tray. This giant massive hole, that's my favorite part of this bread. Okay, let's cut a few slices and see how they look from the inside. This bread is so light and airy. I definitely recommend trying it, and the olive oil and the seasoning on top, it's delicious. I post new recipes every week, so don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you again soon.